Hello and welcome to the IP Labs video tutorial series on administering the Avaya IP Office phone system. These tutorials are short in length to cover specific topics, so you won't have to wade through a long presentation to get to the information you need. Today's topic is IP Office recovery, sending an offline backup configuration to your unit to restore previous settings. We're going to open up Manager and take a look at the current configuration of the IP Office that we have on the network. What we've done today is deleted most of the users on the system, and we've merged the changes. So now when people look at their phones, they'll basically all come up with no user. They won't be able to make calls or get calls or anything. So the system is inoperable as it currently sits. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore a backup configuration that the manager saves every time you make changes. I'm going to go ahead and close the configuration and then go to the offline open file. Now the backup configurations are not stored as a .cfg file, they're stored as a .bak file. I'm going to scroll across until I find the files that I'm looking for, and here they are. They're named with my unit name, IP Labs space 401, and then tagged with the year, month, and day, plus the version number of the particular file. I've made 4 different changes since on the 16th, which is today. I'm going to go ahead and open up release 2 for this particular day, and it should have a whole bunch of users in there. And there we are. Well, I wouldn't have wanted to have to go and recreate all of these by hand and get them right, and perhaps spelling mistakes and other things that might come off for that. So now I'm looking at this offline. As you can see up here, it says where this file is pulled from. Now I need to send it to the unit. I'm going to go to offline, send configuration. It will go out to the network and find my unit. I'll click OK there. Default username and password, cut and paste. Immediate. It is going to reboot the system. However, at this point, I don't think anybody's going to be worried about that. Okay, so the system is back up. The status light is green. I'm going to pull a configuration and check to see if everything took like it should. IP Office usually takes from 60 seconds to 120 seconds to do a reboot based on the size of your configuration and the type of unit you have. So as you're doing this process, be patient and watch that status light. Alright, there we are. Now we've got a live system with our users in place. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions or need some help, you can visit us on the web at http://www.iplabs.biz.